So guys, we're solving a new question. 4 power of x minus 2 minus 40 equal c. First you write that 4 power of x minus 2 equal 40. And then we use this property, exponent property. A power of n divide a power of n equal a power of m minus n. So 4 power of x minus 2, we can write that 4 power of x over 4 power of 2 equal 40. That means 4 power of x divided by 16 equal 40. Now since the denominator is 16, so we can multiply that 16 both sides. That means 16 cancel. So we got 4 power of x equal 40 times 16. Now we are taking log both sides. So we can write that log 4x equal log 40 times 16. Now we use here logarithm property. This log x power of m equal m log x here. So log 4 power of x, we can write that x log 4 equal log 40 times 16. Now since coefficient of x is log 4, so we can divide log 4 both sides because we need to find the value of x. So if we divide log 4, log 4 cancel. So we got x equal log 40 times 16 over log 4. Now we use here product rule of logarithm, which is log a times b equal log a plus log b. So log 40 times 16, we can write that log 40 plus log 16 over log 4. That means we can write that x equal log 40 over log 4 plus log 16 over log 4 equal log 40. We can write that log 4 times 10 over log 4 plus log 16. We can write that log 4 power of 2 over log 4. Now we are solving here. So log 40, if you use the product rule here, log a times b equal log a plus log b. That means we can write that log 4 plus log 10 over log power of 2. Log 4 power of 2 will be 2 log 4 over log 4. Now 4 log 4 we can cancel that. So we can write that log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 divided by log 4 plus 2. Now log 4, we can cancel that. So 1 plus 2 plus log 10, we can write that 2 times 5 over log 4. 2 plus 1, 3 plus. If you use product rule again here, so we can write that log 2 plus log 5 over log 4. So 3 plus log 2 divided by log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. So 3 plus log 2 over log 4, we can write that 2 log 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Log 2, we can cancel that. So we got 3 plus 1 half plus log 5 over log 4. Okay, so if we simplify that, 3 plus 1 half, we got 7 by 2 plus log 5 over log 4, we can write that log 2 power of 2. That means 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 over log 2. Now we share change of base rule, which is log A divided by log B equal log base B number is 3. So x equal, we can write that 7 plus log 2 5 over 2. Now to check this, we substitute the value of x into our given equation, which is 4 power x minus 2 equal 40. That means 4 power x is 7 plus log base 2 5 over 2 minus equal 40. So 4, we can write that 2 power of 2 times 7 plus log 2 5 over 2 minus 4 over 2 equal 40. Now these two we can cancel that. So 2 power of 7 minus 4, which is 3, plus log base 2 5 equal 40. So we can write that 2 power of 3 times 2 log base 2 5 equal 40. We use here another logarithm property, which is a log base a b equal b. That means we can write that 2 cube is 8 times 5 equal 40. So 40 equal 14. It's very funny. Thank you so much.